Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to perform an impurity test on image tracks in visionCATS, allowing you to efficiently identify and evaluate deviations within your chromatogram. Start by opening the analysis file. Next, display the image labels and tracks to ensure all relevant data is visible. To use the impurity test function, profiles must already be available. If they are not, generate them using the Generate Profiles button. Now switch to the Impurity Test tab and select Tracks in the Data Type section. Choose the detection mode you want to evaluate. Use the zoom function as needed to get a clear and complete overview of the image. In the Checks section, click the Add button to begin selecting tracks from the image. Drag and drop to select or deselect your reference track and reorder tracks as needed. Next, define the impurity test parameters in the Checks section. Set the RF range by specifying the start and end values. Then, enable or disable the maximum allowed relative and absolute deviations compared to the reference track. Relative deviation checks whether the signal differs by a defined percentage, while absolute deviation checks whether the signal differs by a fixed value. Finally, define the test logic by selecting either an OR or AND operator. The selected color will highlight portions of the sample tracks, where deviations exceed the specified limits in the main data view. Click the Check button to evaluate the tracks. Any deviations will be marked and highlighted in the chosen color for easy identification. Select or deselect tracks, including the reference track or SST, UHM, at any time. The colored bars indicate the magnitude of deviation compared to the reference. By applying the impurity test in visionCATS, you can systematically assess track deviations and maintain confidence in the accuracy and consistency of your analytical results. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.